This question says to take a continuous variable named relationship quality and turn it into 3 groups, low, medium, and high. So let's take a look at the relationship quality variable. Boop, 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 boop. There it is right there on the bottom. And it looks like a continuous variable. Let's just double check. There's the relationship. Good. So it goes from 1 to 30. So we're going to go ahead and make a new variable with low being 10 or less. Medium is 11 to 20, and anything above 20 is high. So here we go. We're going to go to analyze. Now we're going to go to transform. Recode into a different variable. And let's name it properly. Remember, no spaces, no weird, nothing. Let's put it in there first. Sorry, my bad. Relationship. That's the continuous variable. And there's our new name. And we copy and paste it into the label box. And then we click change. And then we go to the old and new values. So I always start at the bottom. So from the lowest value up to 10, we're going to mark that as a 1. Okay, 1 will be low. We're going to add it. And then I go to the top value. So from the highest number down to 21, that's going to be our high value. That's going to be a 3. Add. And then everything left over has to be a 2. Okay. Now there's other ways to do that. You could have just put the ranges in here. From 11 to 20, you could have made that 2. You could have done that way, but I'm kind of lazy. So we got 1, 2, 3 groups. Don't forget to label them in the values box once we get to the SPSS file. Sorry. And then we go boom, 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 boom. And we do this. So there they are. Look at that. Bam. So we got 1, 2s, and 3s. First of all, I do not like them decimals when we don't need them decimals. But again, that's just me. Actually, we could use it as a nominal. It could be a categorical, but because I called it an ordinal in the problem, we're going to call it an ordinal. Now we're going to give them values here. So 1 was low. 2 was medium. And 3 was high or large. What was it? High. 3, high. Click OK. Click continue. Click everything. Okay. So now we got this new variable here, and now we want to make a bar graph, right? So now we want a bar graph, and again, there's several ways to make a bar graph. I'm going to do this. I'm going to go to graphs. I'll just use the chart builder. It's actually pretty handy once you get used to it. So you go down here, you go to pick the bar family. Just put that right in there like that. And then we're going to stick in the relationships. And that should be it. Let's take a look. Output says this. So there's the right answer, right? Low, medium, and high. All right, I hope that helps.